Morning session today. I signed in a little bit after the FOMC announcement. Just took one trade. I got into a trade a little bit after 3 o'clock. We were breaking down below the 20. Delta was increasing. Got a little short in there. We pulled back to a couple of the MMT special volume levels from the key levels. This little purple line, this blue line. Bounced up off of there very nicely. I'll do a little review later, go over some of the best trading opportunities since I didn't do any recording this morning. So here's the price action from this morning. This is an NQ MMT Delta Bars chart with a trend of 200 and a reversal of 200. I've got all the same settings that I use on my 1-minute chart. Here's the first candle that formed at the open. Start getting some negative delta candles, some bigger wicks on the upside. Get a nice little move down there. Get a very large candle on the next delta move. So these big full-bodied candles mean something a little bit different than regular time-based charts. Price moved 200 negative delta in this very short distance on this previous candle. And on this candle, price moved positive 200 very quickly. We get a little hold up at the pivot point and the pre-market midline. Got point of control drawn up into this wick. We break lower, drop down 10 points to the 3-day VWAP. Heikin Ashi core background turned red. Here we get a nice sized positive delta candle. This is at 9:45, so the 15-minute opening range was formed. We have the 15-minute center right in the way. And we never break higher above this potential entry candle, so no trade triggered. Heikin Ashi goes red again. Got a big wick on this delta candle. Get a break lower, drop down over 15 points. Big delta candle going in the opposite direction. Heikin Ashi background is still red, but potentially taking a more aggressive trade, breakout long. To make it up over 10 points, back up to the 3-day VWAP here. The 3-day VWAP holds. We get a nice big delta candle to the downside. All of these candles should be right around 200 delta. The delta bars I've got in bid-ask mode, but the ultimate delta I've got reading up-down tick mode. I like seeing the discrepancies between the bid-ask mode and up-down tick mode. But if I had the ultimate delta in bid-ask mode, it would be much more right around 200 for each single bar. Get a nice big wick on this delta candle. Heikin Ashi background turns red. Looking for a break lower. We got about 15 points of room down to this previous day VWAP close. Here we get some single bar divergence. So I'm looking for a breakout above or below. On the delta, we got big wicks on both sides. Very indecisive delta there. And after a big move down, getting a delta bar that has some single bar divergence. Definitely going to pay attention to that. We do get the break higher. Pop back up to the 20 SMA, about 15 points higher. Heikin Ashi core background had turned green as well. Here we got some more single bar divergence. Point of control is drawn up into this wick. We get another candle with a bigger wick and point of control drawn up into the wick. Some negative delta coming in. Looking for a break below this single bar divergent candle. We pop down over 10 points, back to the 20. We get one more single bar divergence. It's a pretty big full-bodied candle. Looking for a break above. We got over 10 points of room up to the 3-day VWAP. And this is at 10:47. I'm usually done trading around 10:30. So there's a little bit of a different kind of style of review, showcasing the delta bars with my usual 1-minute chart setup. There are links to all of these indicators in the description. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I've got dedicated YouTube playlists for each different indicator. And on the WAP store page, there are also videos that outline all of the settings available for each indicator. Apex has extended their 80% off sale all the way into March. If you use code MonkeyMan over at Apex or Take Profit Trader or Tradeify or DayTraders, you always get the best price and you help to support the channel. DayTraders has 80% off as well. I appreciate you taking the time to tune in. Hope you got some good ideas for your own trading. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.